Right, ladies and gentlemen, just a quick greenhouse catch-up video. We are Wednesday the 3rd of April. So I'm Monkey Hi Paul. Here on the right hand side of my potting area. This to the left, everything growing nicely, now even stuff that's been neglected needs sorting. But over here we have 4 sunflower pots there. In here, 6 of the bigger ones. And then this one is going to be for my tomatoes and some dahlia seedlings. So up here we have 4 pots of strawberries. The first 2 was put in earlier, the second 2 were left, so I might lose a few of those, but not the end of the world. I've got 6 of each variety, so if we get 3 or 4 out of each one, I'll be over the moon. As we come round here, we have, as you can see these here, these are the seedlings I sowed the other day. Left to right we have evening primrose, alyssum, pansy giant mix, marigolds, delphiniums, lobelia, stock and cosmos. As you can see, a really good germination rate at the moment. Really pleased with those. And then these are 2 pelargoniums from last year. I forgot which one's called what. That is Ivy White and Classic Fire. And then I went to Morrison's to pick up some compost. I also bought 2 of these, $1.30 a piece, outdoor shrub, trailing fuchsia. So that'll be really good for the hanging baskets. Behind those we have 3 different varieties of petunia. The thing I like about these, if you've got a warm windowsill over winter, you can prune them back, take some cuttings and have some plants for next year. So once you get these, you should never be without petunias again. They're not cheap, but they're really well worth it. And then over here, these were left when I wasn't very well. So these 2 trays here, I'm just going to have to pick out what's managed to survive. Some sweet peas, and then over there we have some petunias, I think, and a few herbs there, and God knows what's in there. But yeah, so just waiting for tomorrow, and I'll get the tomatoes and dahlias sown, and take the probably take the sunflowers out of those and put in a couple of trays, sort through all this, and then I can use those to sow some more seeds. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything in my greenhouse and garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe. So hi Monkey, hi Paul, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you.